Okay, I'm back on this Ford Transit. The struts in the back and in the front are bad. I'm putting the best ones. I'm doing the back for now, and then I'm gonna do the front. But for this video, it's just the back. Okay, so this is a 15. This is an 18. It's not as tight that I would like it, but let's see if this works. So this is the bottom. I'm gonna take this off. Then the top is there. I'll show you next after I do the bottom. The front here, it's 18, and in the back, 21. So I'm gonna do the front with this, and then I'm gonna hold it in the back with this, which is a 21. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna use this for the back. This was too short, so this is much better. The new one, it's in. Looks good. And I think I just realized I'm missing this rubber piece from here. On the other side, it's really messed up. So we gotta do those. Okay, let's do the other side. That looks good. It's very easy to do it. When we put in the new one, you gotta pump them a few times like this. Both of them. Okay, let's do the other tire. The other side. So the other side is done too. What I noticed between the new one and the old one when you push it and let it go, it's not coming up, as you can see, as the new one. Forgot to mention, when you do this, make sure you do this on the front tires, both tires, so the car doesn't roll on you. Okay, thank you for watching.